Have you ever wondered what you and a giant oak tree have in common? Or perhaps what links a soaring eagle to the tiniest ant? The answer lies in a single element: carbon. Carbon is the fundamental building block of all living things on Earth. It's in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even in us. But carbon doesn't just sit still. It's constantly on the move, flowing between living organisms, the atmosphere, oceans, and even rocks. This incredible journey is known as the carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is like a giant invisible game of pass the parcel, with carbon as the precious prize. It's a continuous process where carbon atoms move from one part of the Earth system to another. This cycle is crucial for life on Earth. It helps regulate our climate, provides the building blocks for life, and even influences the food we eat. Understanding the carbon cycle helps us understand how our planet works and how to protect it. Plants are the true superheroes of the carbon cycle. Through an amazing process called photosynthesis, they capture carbon dioxide from the air and, using sunlight as their energy source, transform it into sugars. Imagine a tree soaking up carbon dioxide through its leaves like a thirsty person drinking water. This process not only provides food for the plant but also releases oxygen back into the atmosphere, the very air we breathe. While plants take in carbon dioxide, animals like us do the opposite. We breathe in oxygen to fuel our bodies and release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. This process is called respiration. Think about every breath you take. Every time you exhale, you're playing a vital role in the carbon cycle. Even when we eat plants or animals, the carbon from their bodies becomes part of us and is eventually released back into the cycle through respiration. Section 5. Nature's Recyclers, Decomposition, and the Circle of Life. When plants and animals die, their remains don't just disappear. Tiny organisms like bacteria and fungi get to work, breaking down the dead matter and returning the carbon stored within back to the soil and atmosphere. Imagine these decomposers as nature's recyclers, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. The carbon released during decomposition helps fuel new life, completing the cycle. Section 6. The heat is on combustion and the human impact. For millions of years, the carbon cycle has maintained a natural balance. However, human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, have significantly increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This excess carbon dioxide acts like a blanket, trapping heat and leading to climate change. The consequences are far-reaching, from rising sea levels to more extreme weather events. Section 7. Locked away, carbon storage and the balance of nature. Thankfully, the Earth has natural ways of storing carbon. Oceans absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, while rocks and fossil fuels act as long-term carbon sinks. These carbon sinks play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. However, if we continue to release carbon dioxide faster than these natural sinks can absorb it, the consequences for our planet will be severe. Section 8. The importance of the cycle and human impacts. The carbon cycle is a delicate balance that is essential for life as we know it. It provides the building blocks for all living organisms, regulates our climate, and even influences the food we eat. However, human activities are putting this delicate balance at risk. By understanding the carbon cycle and our impact on it, we can make informed choices to reduce our carbon footprint and protect our planet. Section 9. Our role in the cycle. Each one of us plays a role in the carbon cycle. Every time we walk instead of drive, choose renewable energy sources, or plant a tree, we're helping to restore the balance. Remember, even small actions can make a big difference. By working together, we can ensure that the carbon cycle continues to support life on Earth for generations to come.